Welcome to Car Riz today, our sneak peek of the 2025 Lotus Emira. This sports car promises to deliver a thrilling driving experience while embodying Lotus's signature design philosophy. Let's explore what makes this car stand out in the world of performance vehicles. First, let's appreciate the design. The Emira features a captivating aerodynamic profile with sharp lines and a muscular stance. Its modern look is both stylish and functional, reducing drag for improved performance. To step inside and you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit, high-quality materials, minimalist design, and an intuitive layout create an inviting atmosphere. The blend of comfort and sporty aesthetics ensures that every drive feels special. Now, let's dive into performance. The 2025 Emira will offer two engine options, a turbocharged four-cylinder and a naturally aspirated V6. This means you can choose between thrilling acceleration or a more traditional sports car feel. Expect 0 to 60 mph times around 4.3 seconds, impressive for any vehicle. What's even more exciting is its lightweight aluminum chassis, a hallmark of Lotus engineering. This not only enhances speed, but also improves handling, making the Emira agile and responsive on any road. In terms of technology, the Emira is packed with modern conveniences. The infotainment system boasts a large touchscreen smartphone integration and advanced navigation, plus with driver assistance features. You can enjoy peace of mind on your journeys. So, what makes the Emira truly unique? It's not just a performance car, it's designed for everyday usability. Its practicality, combined with Lotus's commitment to lightweight performance, sets it apart in the sports car market. In conclusion, the 2025 Lotus Emira offers a stunning combination of design, performance, and technology. Whether you're an enthusiast or just looking for a thrilling ride, this car is set to impress. Stay tuned for more updates as we await its release.